Did y'all see that? Did y'all see that? Let me find out she's Beyonce. If you guys want to see how I got this poppin' bomb braid, roll the intro. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I am Aisha. This is the Aisha Experience. And feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get the formalities out of the way so we can get into a Christmas. I want to do like the huge, long, majestic looking ponytail. Not ponytail, but braid. So what you're gonna need for this style, guys, you're literally are gonna need kind of gel that you want to use. I'm probably gonna use like 1.5. That matches your hair texture. It doesn't have to match your hair, y'all. I used to have braces, so ever since I had braces, like I have a list now. So every now and again, like I get a little tongue tied. And let's get straight to it. I want to start off by creating my part. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get this part almost damn near to my ear, but mind you, with my part being so deep, it's gonna be a lot of work to get my hair on the opposite side sleek, because majority of my hair is on that side. If you don't want to put in that much work, you can always move your part a little further over. So with this, like I said, it's gonna connect, but it's not gonna connect like my halo braid connected. Next, I've already detangled my hair off camera. Now I'm just going to go in and work in some jojoba oil into my scalp as well as my strands, just to moisturize my hair and to protect it some more before the style. I'm gonna start with my even 24-hour hold, extra hold edge tamer, and I'm gonna tame my edges. I put edge control on before I do my styles. I see a lot of girls who will pull out their baby hairs to slick them back in. So I'm 24. I don't have baby hairs. And if I'm slicking the edges, which are broken pieces of hair, they don't go back into the style. Like, they won't do that. They won't do that. They do not feel like if you gonna pull me out, I'ma stay out. And my edges axing ass. A whole ass.
Cut up, yeah, you know now. Cut up, cut up, cut up.
So I'm actually gonna start with my gel, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on just to sleek in my part to get it flat on that side. You don't want to go in with too much gel. On the other side, you'll see I went in with too much gel and my hair got too tacky, so it's very hard to braid. So I just want to kind of sleek that down and get it as flat as possible to create the braid. This much. And gonna try. If it don't work, it don't work. This will be my first time. Comb out your braiding hair. I kind of grip this like this with these two fingers so that your second hand can come in here and grip your actual hair. Okay, so true tea, I am not the best braider in the world. I am a self-taught braider. If you are a professional braider, of course your braids are going to be way neater, way smoother. This is my first time ever trying to braid my hair down with added hair, and it was difficult. So, but I'll just give you guys a quick explanation of how I did it okay, so I basically, whenever I'm starting a braid, I want to split wherever I'm starting in 3 different sections. Then I'll take those 3 sections and just kind of feed them into themselves. With using the braiding hair to kind of feed it in, I'll slowly add like small pieces into the braid like you see me doing here. And I add it on top of the braid and I just grab with my other hand so that way it flows into the continued cross. Not too shabby if I say so myself for my first time. I think to say this is my first time braiding my hair with braiding hair, out kind of okay. And once again, if we halfway doing this and it ain't working, we will stop and make it work. So we're gonna do the same steps on this side: detangle, oil, and edge control gel. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. This is gonna be hell on wheels. This is a workout. We got the waves coming in strong. I'm gonna start from up here. So like I know with this braid we started at the edge and went back. But with this end, I'm gonna start from up here where my part kind of curves. Alright, so I'm gonna start that braid at the top where my part stops, and I'm gonna bring it all the way down and around to the side. Start with just a small piece. I'm just gonna take my fingers. So then take my fingers, split it in 3. Split that in 3 sections. And you can kind of see how my hair is wanting to stick together. That's because of all that gel. So now I'm just gonna take these 3 fingers and I'm gonna put a slice of hair in each 3. And I'm just gonna cross my fingers. I'll show you guys. So I'm gonna start this piece. Is gonna grab the outer thumb piece. Go under here. We're leaving that top piece right up here. And just switch hands and grab. So once you get your first cross going, just kind of keep going with that crossing method and pulling hair in. When you at the top, you want to start with like small pieces pulling in so that it feeds into like a bigger braid, so it gradually gets bigger. Okay, so on doing the top section on this side of my hair, because it was majority of my hair, I didn't use any braiding hair. All of this is just going to be my hair because it's already hard enough to try to feed my hair into itself, let alone hair it's extra hair. Okay. I'm just going to stop and kind of comb it out because I want it to stay smooth. And y'all can see it coming together, right? It's kind of difficult to separate your hair. Like my hair looks like I'm fighting at it, which I kind of am, but my hair was completely detangled when I started this, but the gel is causing it to want to stick together, so I gotta put a little extra arm strength in there. My hair down to about right here. I'm gonna unbraid this. What I just did was I unbraided the long braid that I had over here, and I just kind of scalp braided it to the back of my head, essentially like I do my regular halo braid, so that I can braid it into this braid. Okay, so now that I've connected the 2 braids, I'm gonna start adding in the braiding hair.
2 hours later.
Much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, guys. The braid is done. I did it myself, so that counts for something. Well, okay guys, so yo, kid you not, this look is gorgeous. Mind you, it's not perfect. I am not a beautician. I am not a professional braider. This is some DIY shit that I decided to do on my own. So don't judge me, because I wouldn't judge you. And I think you should too. Did y'all see that? Did y'all see that? So if it's your first time here at my channel, thank you for sticking around and watching the whole video. If you watch the whole video, I mean, you pretty much, we go together now. So you might as well subscribe. Like, we go together. I'm sorry. Nice to meet you, babe. Go ahead and subscribe. The red button right down here underneath here. And if you haven't watched all of my videos, I mean, the next option should be me. So, you might as well. Holidays, everyone. Eesh, out. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.